Good morning, class 10. SE vectors for 10 marks, part 10. Possibly the last practice. And please practice more questions from question number 5A to get 1 mark. Question number 10A, 2 marks. Question number 10B, 2 marks. Altogether 4 marks. 1 plus 4, 5 marks from different sets. Question number 24, internal division. As follows. This is the diagram. If A and B are the position vectors of A and B respectively, and P divides AB internally in the ratio of m is to n, prove vectorially that OP equal MB plus NA upon m plus n. This theorem is very important to solve other simple questions from question number 10 AB. This is the question. And what is the solution? The solution is as follows. यो क्वेसन भयो यसबाट पी ले एबीलाई इन्टरनली डिभाइड गर्छ यसको सोलुसन यो क्वेसन नलेखेर अब स्टुडेन्टले लेख्नुपर्ने चाहिँ यहाँबाट सुरु गर्ने स्टुडेन्टले लेख्नुपर्ने यही दिस इज द क्वेसन राइट डाउन द आन्सर एज फलोज O is the point of reference. A is a vertex, B is another vertex. P divides AB internally in the ratio of m is to 1. This is m part, this is n part. Internally P ले AB लाई भित्रपट्टिबाट विभाजन गर्छ कसरी त m is to n कसरी लिने AP by PB लिने. What is the given condition? Given condition is you can write in this way. A and B are the position vectors of A and B respectively. A को OM means this is A, OB this is small b vector, OP is also P. A point P, any point P divides the line segment. It is better to the line segment AB internally in the ratio of m is to n. P divides AB internally in the ratio of m is to n. That means AP by PB equal m by n. This is the given condition to prove or to find the position vector of P. To prove there's a word, so I'll have to clean it. What to prove? Position vector of P equal MB plus NA by m plus 1. This is to prove. And proof, you write internal division. Internal division O A P B. Small b vector, P vector, A vector, A P B. How to start? हाउ टु गेट स्टार्टेड, कसरी सुरु गर्ने त्यसलाई प्रुफमा भन्दाखेरि कसरी एबी बाई पिबी लेख्ने हो कि अथवा एबी बाई बिबी यसरी लेख्ने हो कि कसरी लेख्ने त भन्दा यो इन्टरनलमा एउटा कुरा याद गर्नु, इन्टरनलमा ए फर्स्टबाट एबाट पी पीबाट बी। अब क्वेसनमा सबै पी डिभाइड्स बिए बिए भन्यो भने पी डिभाइड सपोज पी डिभाइड्स बिए, पी डिभाइड्स द लाइन सेगमेन्ट बिए भन्यो भने के गर्ने तपाईँ, बिए भन्यो भने बिपी बाई पिए लेख्ने, बिपी बाई पिए इक्वल एमआइएन लेख्ने, बिएलाई डिभाइड गर भन्यो भने बिपी बाई पिए, तर एबीलाई भन्यो भने एपी बाई पिबी। वाट टु टेक फर इन्टरनल डिभिजन फ्रम ए टु बी, द गिवन condition is internal division given that P divides AB, that means AP by PB vector PB equal MIN, this is given। अब इन्टरनल को लागि यो यसरी पहिला क्रस मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने, और N vector AP equal M vector PB by क्रस मल्टिप्लाई करने, और directly AP can be written as OP minus OA। Instead of writing that, I'll write OA plus AP, AO plus OP triangle AP AP is AO vector plus OP vector equal M PB बनाने PO plus OB, PO plus OB using triangle law of vector addition, triangle law of vector addition in triangle AOP and POP, triangle law, or N is N, AO is minus OA plus OP is OP, PO is minus OP plus OB, position, direction, AO is minus OA, OA र AO equal and opposite, or N minus OA is A, OP is P, M minus OP is P plus B, where as vector OP equal small p, suppose OP लाई small p denote गरिन्छ। First of all, take AP by PB equal M by N, cross multiply AP equal AO plus OP, triangle law, PB equal PO plus OB, triangle law, N, AO equal minus OA, PO equal minus OP, put the values accordingly। Now what to do? Remove the bracket open, or minus this into this minus NA vector plus this into this NP vector equal this into this minus MP vector plus this into this MB vector, or P on the left side MP minus plus NP vector equal MB plus NA. Transposing, take P common, vector P common, M plus N equal MB plus NA by M plus N. Therefore, the position vector of P equal MB plus NA upon M plus N, proved। How to take? O is the point of reference, A and B are 2 points. What it says? P divides AB internally in the ratio of M is to N. This is M, this is N part. कसरी लेख्ने त एपी बाई पिबी इक्वल एम बाई एन क्रस मल्टिप्लाई राइट एओ इक्वल माइनस ओए पुट द भ्यालुज and PO equal minus OP and put the value as follows. OA equal small a, OP small p, OB vector small b. Put the values transpose on the left side. P left मा आउने गरी र अरु चाहिँ right मा आउने गरी. P common, m plus n goes down. In this way, the internal division is proved. The position vector of P is OP small p equal MB. MB plus NA upon M plus N. If the ratio is M1 upon M2, what to do? If the ratio, suppose ratio is M1 upon M2 भयो भने यहाँ के गर्नु पर्यो M1 यहाँ MN M1B plus M2A upon M1 plus M2. It becomes M upon N को सट्टा M1 upon M2 रेसियो दिन पनि सक्छ एक्जाममा. अनि कसरी नि M को M1 B भनेको B, M2 भनेको N, M1B plus M2A upon M1 plus M2. In this way, the internal division can be proved. लिँदाखेरि कसरी नि AP by PB. Now, after this external division. Question number 24, right? External division. How to prove the external division? डिभाइड गर्ने पोइन्ट चाहिँ अब एबी भन्दा बाहिरपट्टि पर्छ एक्सटर्नल डिभिजन. If A, small b and small p are the position vectors, means measured from the origin O. Origin बाट मेजर गरेकोले पोजिसन भेक्टर भन्यो. पोजिसन भेक्टर्स of body says A, B and P respectively, and such that you can write so, and P divides AB. Here AB means the line segment AB externally, बाहिरपट्टिबाट, externally in the ratio of M is to N. Prove vectorially that the position vector of P is small p, or say OP equal MB minus NA by M minus N. Given condition, question is P OA equal A, OB equal B, OP equal small p. Small a and small b are the position vectors of A and B. P divides AB externally in the ratio of M is to N. कसरी लेख्दा A देखि P सम्म यो चाहिँ M, यहाँ यहाँसम्म M. A कसरी नि AP by BP लेख्नुपर्छ. AP by BP. यो चाहिँ L लेख्ने. AP by BP. A to P and B to P. This is the question. You don't need to write down the question. What is the given condition? The given condition is written here. So your question लेख्नु परेन, यहाँ चाहिँ लेख्ने. A, B, P, P, small p, B, small b, OA, small a. What is the given condition? A and B, vector A and vector B are the position vectors of vertex A and B. P divides the segment, the line segment AB externally line segment AB externally in the ratio of M is to N. This is the given condition. What to prove? To prove OP, vector OP equal MB vector minus N vector A upon ratio M minus N. This one minus हुन्छ. Given condition, P divides AB externally in the ratio of M is to N. To prove vector OP equal MB minus NA by M minus 1. This is to prove. And for proof, what is the proof? Proof को लागि यसरी गर्ने. O position vector A small a B small b P small p. What to give? Given that, what is given? P ले AB लाई डिभाइड गर्छ, एक्सटर्नली डिभाइड गर्छ, बाहिरपट्टिबाट A र B भन्दा बाहिरपट्टिबाट गर्छ. BA लाई भने AB लाई भन्नाले गिभन AP A देखि P सम्म AP by BP इक्वल M by N गिभन. AP यसलाई A देखि P सम्म M यति चाहिँ N. AP by BP सेम डिरेक्सन. इन्टरनलको लागि मैले यसरी क्रस मल्टिप्लाई गरेको थिएँ. एक्सटर्नलको लागि अब यसरी गर्ने. एक स्टेप कम हुन्छ जस्तो M भेक्टर BP इक्वल N भेक्टर AP by क्रस मल्टिप्लाइङ और MBP. and the BP भनेको BO प्लस BO भेक्टर प्लस OP भेक्टर N AP भनेको AO प्लस OP AO प्लस OP using the triangle law of vector addition. In triangle, what triangle? AOP and BOP. AOP and BOP triangle. Or BO equal minus OB plus OP. N AO equal minus OA plus OP. Or OB equal minus B, OP equal small p. Suppose N minus A plus small p. Why? As OP vector equal small p. Your capital P, your small p. Or cross multiply. Remove the bracket. Minus M vector B plus this into this M vector P equal this into this minus लेख्ने N A vector plus यसलाई N P vector लेख्ने. अब यसलाई P भएको लेफ्ट साइडमा गिभन AP by BP equal M by N क्रस मल्टिप्लाई यसरी गर्ने MBP equal NAP MBP equal BO plus OP triangle law in triangle BOP NN AP equal AO plus OP A बाट O मा point of reference मा अनि फेरि P मा AP BO equal minus OB AO equal minus OA direction. Put the values OA equal small a, OB small b, OP small p and remove the bracket. By removing or p यो p भएको यतापट्टि ल्याउने mp minus np equal यसलाई उता लाने यसलाई चाहिँ उता लाँदा m vector b minus n vector a. Take p common m minus n equal mb minus any vector. Therefore, the position vector of OP p is OP equal mb vector minus na vector by m minus 1. Proved. यसरी प्रुभ गर्न सकिन्छ. Again, explanation. P divides AB externally in the ratio of m by n. AP by BP चाहिँ लिने A बाट पुरा लिने अनि यति मात्र लिने. m by n क्रस मल्टिप्लाई गरिसकेपछि use triangle law, put the corresponding values and suppose OP equal small p. यहाँ यो लेख्नु पर्ने छ OA equal small a, OB equal small b and OP equal small p, and cross multiply, put the values and transpose so that p vector p lies on the left side and mb and na on the right side. Take common and divide by m minus 1 both sides. In this way, external division can be proved. If the ratio is m1 upon m2, what is the position vector of p? यस्तो हुन्छ m by n नभन्नु न रेशियो यो भन्यो भने p कति हुन्छ m1 b minus m2a by m1 minus m2. In coordinate geometry, the formula is as follows: m1 x2 minus m2 x1 upon m1 minus m2, comma m1 y2 minus m2 y1 by m1 minus m2. External मा minus हुन्छ. Ratio m by n, position vector mb minus na upon m minus n, ratio m1 upon m2, m1b minus m2a by m1 minus m2. यो ab भन्यो भने अब p divides ba भन्यो भने के हो नि त ba लाई डिभाइड गर्ने भन्यो भने pb by pa लेख्नु पर्छ. यसरी. In this way, the external division is proved.